The keto diet seems to be everywhere. Celebs swear by it, your colleagues trying it, and maybe you're even considering giving it a go yourself. But when you're trying to conceive, is going keto actually helping or hindering your chances? In this video, we're unpacking the science behind the keto diet and fertility so that you can make an informed choice about whether it's right for you. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Melanie McGrice, a dietitian specialising in fertility and the first 1,000 days of life. I help women and couples use evidence-based nutrition strategies to support conception and give their future little ones the healthiest start possible. If that's your goal too, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow us on social media. You'll find all of the links that you need in the description box below. Now let's start with a quick refresher. What actually is the keto diet? Well, it's a very low carbohydrate eating plan that puts your body into a state of ketosis, where it starts using fat instead of carbohydrates as its primary fuel source. Now, there's no denying that the keto diet can be helpful for certain health conditions. In fact, it was originally developed for managing epilepsy. And in more recent years, it's shown some promise for weight loss and insulin resistance. So how does this all relate to fertility? Well, it depends. In women with conditions such as polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS, which is often linked with insulin resistance, a lower carb diet may help improve hormone balance and ovulation. That's why some people with PCOS do see fertility improvements with a modified low carb approach. But here's the important bit. Going extremely low carb, as in full keto, isn't always necessary, and it can have some significant downsides when you're trying to conceive. So let's break it down. Number one, fertility hormones need carbs. Carbohydrates play a key role in hormone production. Very low carb diets can reduce levels of luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone, both of which are crucial for ovulation. Number two, it can limit nutrients. The keto diet typically restricts fruit, whole grains and legumes, foods that are packed with fibre, antioxidants and fertility supporting nutrients like folate, iron and vitamin C, all essential when you're trying to conceive. Number three, emerging research suggests that it may impact egg health. Some animal studies and preliminary human research indicate that a very low carbohydrate, high fat diet may negatively affect egg quality. While more research is needed, it's definitely something to be mindful of if you're planning a pregnancy. Number four, it's typically not recommended during pregnancy. Pregnancy significantly increases your need for certain nutrients, many of which come from carbohydrate-rich foods. A restrictive diet like keto can make it difficult to meet these nutritional needs and may not provide enough energy for a growing baby. So, what should you do instead? Well, if you're managing PCOS or insulin resistance, a moderate reduction in carbohydrates may be helpful, but it doesn't have to be full keto. Focus on the quality of your carbs instead of completely cutting them out. Swap white bread for whole grain options, enjoy legumes, sweet potato, quinoa and oats, and aim to pair carbs with protein or healthy fats to stabilise blood sugar. Alternatively, if you're already following a keto diet, general advice is that it should be ceased at least 2 cycles before conception. Now, obviously, there are exceptions to the rule, such as if your epilepsy is managed with a keto diet. And if you're confused about what's right for you, I'd encourage you to book a personalised nutrition assessment with one of our experienced fertility dietitians. I'll pop all of our details in the description box below the video. We'll help you develop an approach that's tailored to your body, your lifestyle and your fertility goals. Now you can also download our free fertility meal plan. It's packed with practical, nourishing ideas to get you started. It's not a keto one though. So, is the keto diet good for fertility? Well, it's not a simple yes or no. For some people, particularly those with PCOS, elements of the diet may be beneficial, but for others, it could actually be doing more harm than good. I hope you found this video helpful. While you're here, please check out some of our other videos. We've got one on the best diet for PCOS and another one on what to eat to improve egg quality. Thanks for watching, and remember, we're here to support you every step of the way on your fertility journey. I'll see you in my next video. Sorry, I'm running out of words. Thanks. I hope you found this video helpful